If you work in a hotel or you want to work in a hotel, there is a one piece of software you must understand. I speak to every hotel staff. They use it every single day, but have no idea that how it works. That is Opera PMS. And when I speak to a hotel staff, they don't know how it works, why it does, what it does. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to explain you what is Hotel Opera PMS, how it works, and how it connects to every single department in your hotel. Like all of the hotels are using in a PMS to manage the guest booking, reservations, operations of restaurants, and all the things billing of the guest. So stay connected with me. I'm gonna to explain you. My name is Rahul Singh and I am an IT specialist in hospitality industry. And welcome back to IT Hospitality Guy. So today the first topic is what is Opera PMS? PMS stands for Property Management System and it is the central brain of every hotel operation. So from the PMS they manage every guest booking, check-in, check-out, what is guest preference, what guest has ordered from the room, and how restaurant team can receive the order from the guest and how they can deliver on the time, because there is some timeline for the guest order to deliver their food. So this is Opera PMS and it's totally managed from the hotel background, and it is the most popular software by Oracle. And you will find every world hotel like Marriott, Hilton, Accor, and most of the hotels are using the same Opera PMS. So stay with me and I'll guide you how to use Opera PMS and how you can manage your hotel operation. Opera has a 6 module, like how it connects to every department. The first one is the reservation. Like suppose you want to stay in any hotel, so what you will do, you will go to website, you will book the hotel reservation from the website like booking.com, Agoda, Expedia. There are a lot sites where we are using for the hotel booking. So the first thing is reservation from OTA sites like booking.com, Agoda, and Expedia. From there, booking comes in inside the hotel, and how reservation team is managing through the phone calls. Also, they are receiving the bookings and hotel website. Also, some of the hotels are running their own website on promotions for the own guest, and there is some hotel is providing the membership also, same like airlines and all the companies like this. Second, front desk. From there, they are managing the check-ins, hotel check-ins, check-out from the, and they can see the guest arrivals, room assigns, room dirty, room is clean or not, and the guest preference, that what types of rooms guest has booked and what they have requested to move on. From the reception, they can guest can request to move the rooms and they can change their preference of the rooms. Like some of the hotels has a unique views. Module number is third, that is housekeeping module. So every room clean or dirty, that status updates in Opera and it's directly connected from the front desk. So they can see the room status and they can assign the rooms to the check-in guest, or they can manage the checkout also. So the fourth module is cashiering. So from the every restaurant, every spa, everything, whatever guest has ordered and what is the pending amount. So during the checkout, the front desk team can see and manage the bill at once at a time during the guest checkout. The fifth module is reporting. Here you can pull out all the reports about the guest occupancy and revenue. All the reports you can pull out at once. And here most of the time the management and the revenue manager, GM, hotel managers, they all spend during the meeting, so they can do the meeting summarize and all the things whatever the revenues comes from on the day operation and monthly wise. The sixth module is back office integration, where Opera connects, integrates with the accounting system, point of sale system, and here the IT teams comes in. So the IT team is managing all the integration connected with the Opera. Here's something most people don't realize. When Opera goes down, your hotel stops. You cannot do the check-in, you cannot do the checkout, the bill cannot be generated, and all the things connected with the Opera, it will stop working. So there is nothing in a hotel operation you can do without the Opera. When Opera goes down, so here I have seen most of the IT specialists who is already working in a hospitality. I have seen the most of the hotels, they are losing their revenue or their benefit because of the Opera. So their IT team doesn't know that how to restart the Opera service properly during any emergency shutdown. Like sometime electricity goes down or something bad happens in a Opera server. So you need to restart Opera as soon as possible. Or otherwise, you have to create some SOP for your front office team, your hotel restaurant team, so they can manage the operation offline. So once Opera comes up, so they can post in a Opera or POS system. So they will be known as a backup solution. So to wrap up, Opera's PMS system is a central system of your hotel. Either you are working in a IT, front office, F&B, kitchen, housekeeping, or either you are a student studying in a hospitality, you must understand the Opera PMS system. So it will make you the more valuable in your job. So you can get as much as faster in the Opera PMS knowledge. So you will be able to crack the job in hospitality. I am planning a full deep dive video series on Opera PMS on every single modules. If you find useful, just comment below Opera and I'll prioritize your comment. Just like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.